In this guide, I'll show you how to change the game download and installation location in the Epic Games launcher. Start by opening the launcher and clicking your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to the Downloads section and select Download Settings. Here, you'll see the current default install directory. Click Change next to it. If you have another drive, choose it from the left sidebar. After that, create a new folder by right-clicking in an empty space, selecting New, and then clicking Folder. Give the folder any name you prefer, for example, Epic Games Game Folder. Once the folder is created, select it and click Select Folder to confirm. Your new install location is now set. To verify, exit the settings and start installing any game. You'll see that the default installation path has been updated to the new folder you just created. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking and subscribing, and stay tuned for more tutorials.